During the spring or the hot summer months, kids love a fun and frozen drink to sip on. And it's even better with fun flavors and different color combos. My name is Tony Pereira, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorites, a mango lava slushie. I love this drink because of its tropical flavors and the fun visual effects it has when pouring directly into the glass. Now for this mango lava slushie, we'll be using fresh cut mangoes blended with a tropical pineapple mix. But we'll also make 3 variations using the same mango mix, but with different lava slushie flavors, such as blue raspberry, dragon fruit, and a wild berry mix, giving you some great options for the kids or for the adults too. Now for this drink, we're going to be using a blender to blend up all of our ingredients. And for our first ingredient, we're going to be using 2 cups of fresh mango. We're just going to dump these right in. For our next ingredient, we're going to be using our pineapple tropical mix. And we're going to be putting the whole 32 ounces directly in. And for our last ingredient, we're going to be adding some ice just to help blend this up and keep it all nice and cold. So we're going to place this back on the blender. But before we blend, we're going to set up our lava slushie cups to pour right into. And so for our first ingredient, we're going to be using 2 ounces of our wild berry syrup. And 2 ounces is roughly about a 1/4 cup. We're going to use 2 ounces of our dragon fruit syrup. And we're going to use 2 ounces of our blue raspberry syrup. So now all of our flavors are set, and now we're ready to blend. Put our top on, and we're ready to go. And that should do it. Now our drink is all blended up. And now for the fun part. This is where we're going to pour directly into the glass to get our lava slushie effect. Voila. And now we can start to garnish. Our first garnish, we're going to use a little bit of rock candy and just place that right on top. And now we're ready for some whipped cream. And we're not done yet. We're going to add some fresh mango, of course, right on the side. We're going to sprinkle, so we have some pink to match here. And of course, it wouldn't be the same without some sour gummies. We can just lay it right on top. We have some pink ones for our dragon fruit. Voila. And we have some fun orange gummies as well. And here we have our mango lava slushie. Enjoy.